As an estate and elder law attorney, one of the most common questions I get is, will I lose my house if I have to go into a nursing home? Hi, my name is Bill Miller, and I'm an estate and elder law attorney in Alabama, and I have offices in Anniston and Birmingham, and we work with families on a daily basis who are dealing with very similar issues. So there's three things I want to talk to you about in regards to the home and having to go into a nursing home. First of all, it's important to understand that the nursing home is not going to take anything from you. If you have to go into a nursing home, you're going to have to pay for that care, and you do that from your assets or by paying out of pocket by selling assets and things like that. If you don't pay for the care, then the nursing home is not going to provide the service for you. Number two, people hear about a nursing home taking their home in the context of applying for Medicaid. So Medicaid will put a lien on your house if you have to go into a nursing home. If you've spent down your other assets to the limits that Medicaid sets and you have to go into a nursing home, they will let you in, but Medicaid will put a lien on that house for any amount that they spend on on your care while you're at the nursing home. Many times by the time someone passes away after they've been in a nursing home for a long period of time, the Medicaid lien exceeds the value of the house. And number three, there are ways to protect your home from nursing home costs. And I'm not going to get into all those in this video, but basically you can, there's certain kinds of deeds that you can sign, or you can use trust to protect your home. If that's something you're interested in talking to us about, I would encourage you to give us a call at 256-241-6794. You can also visit our website at www.millerestateandelderlaw.com to get more information. If we can be of help to you, then please let us know.